first briefly, and any idea to say, oh, yeah, na doggy politicians, no, mu Jimmy or Mudigo, or na Kwasibia, sorry, or see, or no, or your ghetto youth leader, or your ghetto youth mouthpiece. Ghetto or in for Ghana. Show me where ghetto dey. Eh? Kopie, na ko chinchin na pace can for brief because a busia will feel. Baby and Koso, Ghana your crofun animal kingdom, your kamunte. Me catch up, Pakunyama for Mexico, for Brazil. Domu kuko sa Mexico ni Brazil no. Uncho mo chen. Na kwasie bia keke sorry I know the phone has seen so kwasie Jimmy phobia because I have phone no about live video no so can about politics or no so cat say ye man crow bet me book no. You go fi be assemblyman self. Me be sao. Assemblyman self you go fi be. You see koya assemblyman self. Kwasie o ka say book crow easy. To become a leader, I can say easy. Ufie mu kra, ufie ubusia awo no. Ebusia ni awo mu. That family na awo mu no. Family of 3, 4 no. How do you even manage to rule them? Kwasia mi bisao. U family na u free mu nankasa no. U family na u free mu nankasa no. Ebusia na u free mu no 5 or 6 no. Utumi rule omo. Biso say how do you even put in peace, control? How do you even control that? What do you control mo? Now you can say controlling of a whole nation. Crocus Ghana is easier now. Maybe so you can say easier now. Now mu sorry na mu tina sina. Jimmy bia kwa sebia keke Facebook kwa sebia keke sorry or your live video or ba live and a Ghana is this and a Ghana is that and a Ghana and a Jimmy so asa Santifo no amugu Kumasi for no ni Santifo kwa obi ofi Accra ni ati Accra boy ni ati no ni abre o pace kaba betina live na or worry about it. No Accra boy we no get time Cause she omu Jimmy or Facebook no omu Jimmy omu ya omu ye kwasia send from kwasia mbani mbema na kwasia foni na Asante from Kumasi people from Sunyani from Jimmy nkwa no mugu no mu Jimmy nkwa no mu Jobi see Mr. Wise come and lead. I'm not here to lead you where Jimuni trust there. Me catch on says you are free chronomu leave the fucking country. Kofa Brazil anyway. Neja side demonstration no. Now where Jimmy kwasia who are demonstration ankasano. Yebisa say what is your right as a citizen a unim. Abua. Yebisa say okay what do you want the government to change? Unim. I come and I do. I come and I do. I come na do na wa sorry na ujina because a juma ni wa u sorry wa kotina ghetto munya kona bi dia konja ba ku mieni su na mu shiwi you say you from ghetto be any Ghana o kroni enko ye ejuma ni kromu ho into kwase asem no awo nyansa no wo nyansa na wo unjimi ye no no wa hwe fia o frim se Mexico ana we no befa Brazil na nkofo ekono omu nche o aboa na utuna na obi dada o Abroche no nkofo na omu demonstration wa abroche no go check record those people leading demonstration from Malcolm X Martin Luther King Farrakhan kwasia fo na ho omu na omu demonstration wa America Europe no omu wan akronfo bi wo mu bi sao wan obi akọ state property scada wan hu bi da mi bi sao wan hu bi da wakọ fa akronfo ebe lead demonstration. Before you become a Uber leading demonstration, no, I say we are straight. Are you a Muslim? I'm your bemimi. Kwasia, everything that you bring religion, me, oh mami came, Ubi Sam I am Muslim. Kwasia, Bible no kasa kamu yanko for am I a Muslim? I'm umami tre. Abua, everything you add a religion. Intina kronin ko ye no. When they tell you the truth, you bring a religion. Abua judgment day, are you the one to judge me? Or the Islam religion, oh mami ano papa dia. And judgment day no say bi wo ha kwasia una be judge me. And I will be some say I am Muslim. I'm your mother. Now utina na we Jimmy, now who call demonstration. You be say you are a citizen of Ghana. What is your right? Unimu right. Unimu right. Mibisao. Tama fiti Nkrumah benya power no. Uka say Rawlings oba no aju anko be president. Bisao. Me cannot talk say you from Ashanti, so if I say the majority of the people where they Facebook live where they fool, they're from Ashanti. I don't talk say Ashanti people fool. Listen to the shit where they talk. I say the majority of the foolish people where they Facebook where they fool, they're from Ashanti than things. I don't talk say Ashanti people fool. Listen to the thing where they talk well. Ras Bamba, I know they make sense. Why they watch me? That you are fucking fool. If what I they talk, I know they make sense. Ras Bamba, your mother go feel block you. But for no watch me. Why they watch me? I know invite you say can't watch me. I see a Jimmy for Mugu Chrono. Fiti Nkrumah tan copy Rawlings time. Then necessary. Bisa mu papa Juma ben no ye. Wala tu wala sa no di ya no di share. Na uwe Jimmy ko akọ demonstration. Then the day no 4 years be ba no. Ya won conform wo mo ye MPP, o mo ye NDC. They go and vote for NDC and MPP. Ana unim. So pese kroni sisa nyanse ni awo nyansa no say emri do I don't vote give NDC and MPP. Don't vote. Say obi yi ni three no a different party. Go and vote for that person. Go and vote for that person. Na mutina na muko demonstration unim kro out free no. Abroche ayeto no yentumi family yentumi fa taxpayers people money enko toka ma minister o omunya mboa o sika obe spend sika obe spend no say amanfo no jun say no akwawe yetua ni say how come no spend say uba be boa kunta ohun de ekoso Trump administration on say Trump free akonja no so no on say ni crop no mudi na chi na ye chichichi omo enu na ye kro enya sa animal kingdom na uti Ghana cross no and you expect the Lord to change. Lord and change you anye action. Ukasa ye and do be I'll tell you today and tell you tomorrow pen kwarba obe tie enemy catcher no enemy catcher no Ras Bamba I don't know any fucking truth. You say I'm not making sense, so what the fuck you watching me? If I'm not making sense, there's a lot of people making sense. Go and watch them, stupid dummy. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Did I invited you? What is your contribution? Have you ever even shared my video before? Ras Bamba, you ever share my video before? I see how you did that. They talk say you where you get clean out. Kwame Nkrumah get clean out past anybody. What they do only chua CD. Who you the black spare, you know they like yourself. Who what Ghana nankasa who kwasia who see yemfisi country no. Abua who brother now sister otina who time no. Who akumapa. Who ta unyankum person call the name. Otina enya bunsa nyama kwa na mu ye mu work sakro Ghana no. Ghana one will be papa be a free order. Who call him susupo no mu chew the beche. Kwasia krona who akuma mu krapo nye na opese yemfisi country no. Who are time kwa na wo. Share me. Ghana Corona one radio station, but TV station, Papa Bena, what tuning in? Ewa Ghana, show me. I want some Kanya Sasem that Jimmy from head to toe. Uso radio station, uso TV, and yeah, try some man, and yeah, Kwasia Baba Tinaka say, Bema be caught soon. Cause social media, Namu Kwasiana, Devon on Person Sister, Nyansabe no womb. Nyansabe, Abroche and show Kwasia and yeah, role model. Abroche minister and to him betina radio so enka kwase asemo abroche o ye minister na obi krapo be oba be kasa odi onsa akoka ne no for kra you will resign but Ghana o won kwase minister this ka krapo a yes you on resign mo kwase abo kasa say we dey onye ahwie oni chua sidi utina na ka say and a gun and you want a change o ka say dey anu na change Ube machi pombo to be wisa the country no me I'll tell you to the 1 year action it won't tend to nothing. Basia Rawlings one benya action kon your president to oba no almost say Rawlings almost say majority of you Ghanaians you are fool no none of the by military rules u Jimmy obe dia sumbo u kakwasese ma gonja barracks because mo Jimmy Ghana yeda suko school ma teacher kitakane e di bunkola abroche yan bunkola oba they are smart. Technology, they do stuffs. Ghana kwa siya chrome, akolako school. This said the about buno answer na dream baby.